So, hello everyone and welcome back to another Southern Biker video, and welcome to an autumn afternoon. Today I'm meeting up with James, that you may remember from the Roberto's video, the cap on the beach. Yeah, I'm meeting up with him. We're going to go get some breakfast because we are both working nights. So yes, that does say 2:14. Yes, I am on about getting breakfast. We've been working nights, so I woke up about 45 minutes ago. So join me, let's see if he's here, and then we shall hopefully get a move on, and then I'm going to see if I can persuade him to come look at bikes, because I just want to go look at bikes and do something. Right, let's see if he's here. Here he is. Where's the thing? There it is. Hello, Treacle.
How you doing?
I'm good, how are you?
A few moments later.
Right, and with that, it's time to make a move. Yeah, oh, fuck. So, fun PSA. This bike has got a problem at the moment where I think the levers, according to Fastbike, because they're Temu specials, they're basically shit. So what I'm getting is, I had it where it wouldn't go into first, second or neutral properly. Now what I'm getting is, because I've loosened it up as much as I can, it now does first, second and neutral, but even with the clutch fully in, it's pulling. The bike's trying to go, so yeah, I need to get that sorted ASAP. And it's really hard to find levers for this bike. Pardon me, for some reason. Unless I want to spend like £120 on a single lever, which I don't fancy doing. So yeah, right, we are now fucking hell, boss. We're now on the move. Let's go. Right, and we have arrived. I must say, I really like it in it. It's really cool. They've even got a massive shark. What's this place called again?
Sky Blues.
And you recommended it?
Absolutely.
And you've been coming here for how long?
I was in high school by the time I was still coming here. 2007, I think I opened up on the side there.
He's correct.
Yeah.
And I've never been here before. And they also have fish.
I've got a little bit of everything, mate.
It's great in here.
Yeah, and the portions, as you see, will be quite generous.
I will hold you to that. And the bikes are just there. I'm waiting for someone just to pull in and take them out because I don't trust people.
I've only just noticed your license plate. You're allowed one like that.
Think so.
You think so? Well, you haven't been stopped yet. So.
Well, it's got all the you've got to have numbers for the postcode of the place that prints them and stuff, and it's got all that on there. Because someone was saying, "Oh, have you got your like certification numbers on it?" I can't remember what they were called. And I was like, And they had a look, and they were like, "Yeah, they do." So should be fine.
Yeah.
Can't wait for someone to clone my plate. If they clone it, they've now got to get a 4D one, so that's their problem.
Yeah, exactly.
He was not lying about the portion sizes.
Of course not. So what you got there then?
Full English with a shitload of beans, apparently.
Yeah, no.
What have you got?
I've got a sausage sandwich, can never go wrong with that, and I've got some
Doritos.
Doritos, yeah. That's a bit of a strange combo, but I won't complain.
Right, let's get this. I forgot how to English.
English, full English. Good sir, it's time for a good...
I wish I had a full English vocabulary, but apparently I can only say yes. Right, let's get this down, mate. I couldn't leave without showing you all the fish. Fishes. What else have they got? They do not show up in the camera roll. There you go, that one does. This place is cool, we'll definitely be coming here again. Who are you?
Who are you?
Right, and with that, we're now going to go look at bikes because we have nothing else better to do. So we shall see you at the bike dealer.
Hello, my name is Bruce.
Hello, Bruce.
Several bad puns later.
Finally! I've got second! No, I don't. Yes, I do. Christ, I have not been here in such a while.
I say, good sir, I have not been here in quite some time.
Oh, good heavens, quite right. So, have you been to this dealer before?
Yeah. It's just a long time ago.
Fair enough. Where is it? No,
It's
not
owned
there.
by my friend and his dad, I believe.
Nice. So, they do good deal, yes? Good deal for friend?
He might do you a good deal.
You know what, at this rate, I might just get a new bike instead.
Just be like, yeah, Charles, just trade this one in and I'll have that one, yeah?
Nah, it's not the bike's fault. It's whoever had it before me who's fitted the fucking Temu specials on it. Right, give me 10
This is
minutes
why-
while I try and get it in fucking neutral.
So I'll just hop into neutral immediately.
Oh, okay, me fucking neutral lights not coming on. Come on, there we go. Ha ha!
Aha!
Ha 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 ha!
Gravel.
No. Right, we've arrived, despite my bike nearly breaking on the way here.
She's still alive.
Just about. I want that one, and I want that one.
Sticking with the old wonders.
Well, to be fair, I want something sporty, but I want something that I can get pannies and a pillion on.
Not gonna lie, that is really good. Only 21,000 miles.
Yeah, pretty good for working lever as well. There you go, nick the levers off that one.
No, you might be able to ask me about levers.
Nah, that's alright. My mate's got an MT-07 just like that.
Nice bike.
I like the phaser. The phaser is very tempting.
Yeah. I like races.
Oh yeah, yeah. XA6. These are all the Hondas. Huh? That's the old 500F, yeah. I nearly got one like that. That's the 650 version. That's nice. Huh?
More or less the same thing.
Hmm. So it's a little moped area. I do like a Triumph, I can't lie.
Yeah, I've looked at a drive a couple of times now.
Oh, that's a 1050 one as well. That's not even the 765 or whatever it is. I like this black one. That's nice.
I like the dog eyes on it as well.
Yeah, I really wasn't keen on them, and then they've grown on me quite a bit.
I like those.
Yeah. I was contemplating a Trident next, but apparently they're a little small.
Yeah.
I mean, the street chopper's a bit longer, and I'm not exactly a small person. You got the quackers. What is it? Oh yeah, that's not Daytona, isn't it?
Yeah, Daytona.
I tell you what, I would really like one of these Z1000 SX.
Yeah, that's
Proper touring bike.
Yeah.
My mate used to have one, but I don't think I will be able to afford one of those next.
keep looking at these, it just makes me want to get my big glasses sooner. Every single time. Just want something.
I just want a bike that works. I haven't got that at the moment.
Your one works, it's just a little bit angry.
It needs some refinement. But yeah, that Tracer is nice in that red, but I did think about one of those, but
The CBR, turning my head at CBR.
yeah, that is what I really want next, one of those, but I reckon I'll end up with the CBR F because it's just cheaper, unless I get one of these on finance, but I'll be having a car on finance, so I don't ever want two things at once. I mean, I'm kind of tempted to buy an MT-07 because everyone I know who has one says they're really good.
Yeah.
That Phaser is really nice, to be fair. What year is it? 2015. Yeah, because it kind of went from what? I think it went from Phaser, and then the XJ6s came out.
Yeah.
I think they were out both at the same time, and then they both ended, and then the Tracers are now a thing. I swear they had a VFR 800 in there, unless they've sold it. So I don't see it anywhere, so perhaps they've sold it. Nah, it's a big red thing, I would have noticed it. They had a silver one as well, but I'm pretty sure that one's gone. I do really like that, actually. Inline 4, I think it's about 100 horsepower. What year is that? That's 2015. That is nice. That's the big 1000 Tourer. 600. I don't know if that's a 600 or a 750. What is it? Oh, the NC750F. S, sorry.
Yeah, never heard of them.
I don't know if they still make them. I know they make there's this, and then there's the slightly more upright touring version. I think they still make that one. Carbon fireblade.
That is gorgeous.
So I did like the Tuono 660, but I don't trust it reliability-wise, to be fair.
No.
Nah.
That carbon fibre.
You almost want to have a sit on it. I would, but
Yeah.
I'm not actually here to buy, so I won't pester them. What have they got around there? Basically just 125s, I think.
Nice little.
I did my test on the 300 version of that.
Really?
Yeah, that's what Passport used for the A2, the 300R. But yeah, it's bloody loads in here. Right. Well,
So if they, it's pretty much exactly what I've got. 2019 model. Near enough. Well, I've just done about 4,000 miles.
it's got
on
less
mine.
miles than yours.
Yeah. Going for 2,400, I'll be happy with that. Thanks. Someone.
But yeah, there's loads in here, and with that, I'm now going to try and get my bike home. So if you never see another video from me, assume the bike blew up on me and I died. Goodbye.